There's a lot of myths and untruths that are going around about suppressors. And today we're just going to talk about the top 3 myths that are going around about suppressors. So, number 1, to start out, suppressors are suppressors. They are not silencers. A lot of folks call them silencers. That's okay, that's fine, but they don't completely silence the projectile. So you just want to keep that in mind. They do lower the decibel levels quite a bit, but they aren't going to completely silence that bullet. So they are actually just suppressors, and they suppress the sound. So with that being said, you want to keep in mind, you still want to practice good, safe range etiquette and make sure that you are wearing hearing protection with most calipers. Now, I could see you getting away with a lower caliper, smaller, like a 22 long rifle, but you still just want to be safe out there and enjoy the experience. But they are actually suppressors. They are not silencers. Now, number 2, I hear it a lot. A lot of folks think and say, hey, silencer, that's something not everybody can get. You have to be somebody or know somebody to get a silencer or jump through all sorts of hoops. Now, with certain gun restrictions, that is true. With certain other things, it might be a costly thing for you to, let's say, have automatic weapons, assault rifles, and so on. And it's a longer, lengthier process. But with silencers, pretty much anybody that can own a gun, a pistol, shotgun, rifle, etc., if you can get one of those, pass a background check, most likely you can get a silencer. It does have a $200 tax stamp on it, which is just a way for the government to get your money, in my opinion, when you would like to protect your ears while shooting. And that's pretty much the only step to it. You pay that, you got a long, lengthy waiting period, which is usually a few months to 6 months, then you will be able to go and purchase your suppressor. So it's a very simple process, takes a little bit of time, but well worth the investment and something that anybody can do. Now, the third myth is that suppressors slow down bullets and projectiles. That's completely false. They will, if anything, extend the barrel, which they don't contact the bullet and they don't touch the bullet, but that's going to help that bullet get more velocity, if anything. So you're not going to see a drastic reduction in speed from a suppressor like you would see in some video games. And I believe that's where that started coming from, is video games and movies, and people thinking, oh, suppressors are great, but they're actually going to slow down the bullet or make the bullet not as accurate. And that's completely false. So there you have it. Those are the 3 biggest myths and misconceptions about suppressors. If you would like to add any, definitely comment down below. And as always, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and share for more.